Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan Dorheim,
And I'm Kramer Brooks.
and we are both technology specialists here at Microsoft, focusing in on the Power Platform and Dynamics 365. That's why we're called the Dynamics Duo. Kramer, what is today's topic?
Today we're going to be looking at pulling data from different formatted files into Excel.
Into Excel. Why are we using Excel to store enterprise or government data?
That's a great question. So, though we like to get as much of our enterprise data into secure databases, for day-to-day work, a lot of government employees have to use Excel to get their job done.
You're spot on. Yep. When I was a police officer, I used Excel pretty much every day for different forms of crime data and doing different analytics. So, how are you planning on showing us that today?
I'm glad you asked. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so now we're looking at an example of something called a 10K document. I use this because every organization has to release these every year. They all report a similar type of complex data, but they all look a little bit different in the formatting. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to email this document to a particular inbox, which is going to trigger a Power Automate flow to run this document against an AI builder model, which will ultimately extract some information and put it into this Excel sheet. So we see some examples. It grabs a company name, a phone number, and some extra esoteric data that you don't really need to know or understand. And we'll see it pop up right here on row 6. I will send that email to start this flow. While I do that, I'm going to hop over to the Power Automate flow. We're sitting in it right now. It's titled Extract Email Data and Write That to Excel. And it's very simple. When a new email arrives, it is going to apply something to some kind of object for each object that pops up. So looking a little more, it checks a particular inbox, which would be in these advanced options. And for anything that arrives in that inbox, it'll grab the attachments. And for each attachment it finds, it will run those attachments against an AI builder model and add that information into that Excel file we were looking at. Quickly hopping over, we can see a quick and easy example of what that particular AI builder model looks like. Now I'm going to hop back on over and look at that row 6. We see our information pop up.
That's really cool. I can see where that would have been extremely helpful, like back when I was in my government position, right? So all the documents and things that I think that I've handled, literally all that information could have been automated, pulled into an Excel document without any manual typing of my own. So like tax forms or case intake forms or applications for street closure and things like that, things that would have come in via PDF, this AI builder could have captured and then automatically put into an Excel spreadsheet for me.
That's exactly right.
Huh. I think we should coin this something. Let's call it CDC. Complex document capturing.
I think somebody else has already got that one, but we'll see if we can do it.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and let me summarize real quick. Here. So let's just take a look at what we went through here. A new document was brought in via email, and it was a PDF at that point. AI went ahead and picked it up and read the complex document, and then automation was triggered and then sent the requested data to an Excel file. Now, something we didn't show was that a user can receive a notification once that happens. So I think about some use cases like back when I was a police officer, I would have gotten an email when someone would have submitted that form. And then there would have been no manual labor. I'm a total happy user. Can you think of anything else you want to add in there, Kramer?
I think we got it.
All right, man. Well, take care, everyone. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we'll catch you next time.